To begin outdoor flight testing, first take out the aircraft, power it on, and prepare to calibrate the compass. Connect to the ground station, locate the compass, configuration interface, and click calibration. Follow the calibration diagram to complete the 6-directional rotation. If the calibration is not completed, continue repeating until the calibration is complete. After the compass calibration was completed, the assembly of the wings, tail, and nose section began. During the testing phase, I used 4 16,000 mAh batteries, and then checked the center of gravity. If the center of gravity is not right, adjust the front and rear positions of the battery until the aircraft is nearly level. Secure the cable ties and then power on the aircraft. First, check the multi-rotor status, switch the flight controller to Q loiter mode and unlock the remote controller. Slowly move the aileron joystick left and right to check if the roll response is normal. Quickly flick the aileron control stick and see if the ESC responds. Check if there's any drop in height. Quickly move the pitch joystick and observe whether there are any abnormalities in the aircraft's pitch response. The multi-rotor of the aircraft is fine. Let's land it. We are planning a takeoff and landing route to see how the fixed-wing aircraft performs. Unlock the aircraft and switch to the automatic mode. The aircraft maintained a stable attitude during the transition phase and did not experience any altitude loss. Fixed wing turns are normal, and the flight along the route is also normal. During the landing transition phase, the aircraft's attitude was relatively stable without any over-rotation or dolphin jumps.